Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pasta with bechamel sauce. So I'm going to be showing you the ingredients for 12 servings. So if you want to make less, you can just half the servings. So I have 2 boxes of penne pasta. They're 16 ounces each. And then you're going to need 5 tablespoons of olive oil, about 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, and then you're going to need about 45 ounces of Ragu sauce or any type of pasta sauce that you like. And then you're going to need 2 small onions or 1 large onion, 1.5 pounds of ground beef. And then you're also going to need about 3.5 teaspoons of salt separated and about 7 cups of milk, 3 sticks of butter, 2.5 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 cups of flour. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. So in a pot, we went ahead and preheated 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and we diced the 2 small onions, and we're going to go ahead and saute those until they're almost translucent. And once the onions start to turn a little golden like this, you're going to go ahead and add the 45 ounces of Ragu sauce, which equals to about 5 cups. And after adding the Ragu sauce, you're just going to go ahead and mix it in, and then you're going to cover the pot and reduce the heat to low heat and make sure it's covered, otherwise it will splatter everywhere, and you're going to cook for about 15 minutes. So while the onions and Ragu sauce simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, in a separate pan, we went ahead and preheated 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you're going to cook your meat, and we're going to try to make it into small pieces. And then we'll be adding the salt and pepper after the meat is cooked. And once the meat is cooked, you're going to go ahead and add 1.5 teaspoons of salt and mix that in. And then we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper and also mix that in. And after mixing in the pepper, you're going to go ahead and add the meat to the Ragu sauce with the onions. And you're going to let that cook together for about 5 minutes. While the meat is cooking with the Ragu sauce, we're going to go ahead and start making the bechamel sauce. So in a pot, you're going to go ahead and melt 3 sticks of butter. After the butter melts, you're going to go ahead and add the 2 cups of flour, and you're going to mix that in for about 5 minutes and keep mixing the entire time. And after mixing the butter and the flour together, you're going to go ahead and start adding your milk, and then you're going to keep whisking until it thickens. And after mixing for a few minutes, you're going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of salt and 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper. And you're going to continue to whisk until it becomes thick and creamy.
Went
went ahead and cooked the penne pasta following the box instructions. You just want to make sure that once you boil it, after it's boiled, you're going to drain it and then rinse it with cold water so it doesn't stick together. And then we went ahead and put it in a large aluminum pan, and we're going to add the meat sauce to the pasta, and you're just going to mix it in. So that way when the bechamel sauce is ready, we can just pour it over. Now the bechamel sauce is ready. This is how thick you want it to be. And now you're just going to go ahead and pour it over the penne pasta. Once you pour it over the pasta, you're going to go ahead and spread the bechamel sauce as much as you can. Then you're going to go ahead and sprinkle the mozzarella cheese on top. After adding the mozzarella cheese, you're going to go ahead and cover with aluminum foil. And first, we're going to bake it on 500 for 10 minutes. And then we're going to decrease the heat to 350 and bake for another 20 minutes. So now it's been baking for 30 minutes total, 10 minutes on 500 and 20 minutes on 350. And you're going to remove the foil and broil for a few minutes until it's golden. This is how it looks like after broiling for a few minutes. And now we're going to go ahead and let it rest for 15 minutes and cool down before we serve. So it's been 15 minutes and we went ahead and cut it into square pieces, and I went ahead and placed it on the platter, and this is the final look of pasta with bechamel sauce. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.